Hi, I'm Craig Theiler, General Manager at ERL and Law Valve of Texas. This is BJ Harris, our Quality Control Manager. Today we'll be demonstrating an actuator rebuild on a rack and pinion actuator. After our technician confirms the details of the work order, they'll pre-test the actuator by putting air in to make sure that the actuator is operating properly and to confirm that there are no leaks. Leaks may provide an indication that some of the internal components may need to be replaced. After the technician has observed the results of the pre-test, they will begin disassembly of the actuator utilizing our documented procedures. Following disassembly, our technician will clean all the non-wearing components and prepare them for reassembly into the actuator. Once all the parts have been cleaned, our technician will inspect the non-wearing components to ensure that there's no pitting or corrosion that would warrant a replacement of parts. Following the critical part inspection, our technician will begin the reassembly of the actuator while replacing all of the wearing components. Once the actuator has been reassembled, our technician will mount the actuator to a valve to set the limits. If you have any questions about actuator repair or any other ERL or Law Valve products or services, contact a member of our sales team or reach us online at lawvalveoftexas.com.